In Outlook 365, you can add additional mailboxes simply by going up to the right where it shows the picture of the gear that you see here. I'm going to click on that. And now I'm going to go to where it says Accounts. Now I'm going to click on Add Account. And you can add an account from multiple different sources. You can go from Google, from other Exchange Online. You can see here Yahoo, various different places. I've put in the name of another Exchange Online account. I'll click Continue. Now it's creating the account. And now you're going to see a pop-up for the password. You can put in your multi-factor authentication as well, whatever it prompts you to do. Now it's prompting me to allow the organization to manage my device, which I can leave checked or unchecked. Having the checkbox there does allow some additional administration that can be done by the administrator. It's also possible if you uncheck it, then you may not be able to add the account because the administrator may have made it a requirement to allow the organization to happen. So you can always uncheck it and see what happens, but don't be surprised if it fails at that time. Now you can see it's registering the device with the company and application policy if there is one. Of course, there is a default policy if there's no custom ones. And click Done. We can add in additional accounts or just click Done again. I'm going to close this. And now you can see on the left-hand side my second account. So if you scroll down, you can see that there's another email account that's listed here with the same deleted items, sent items, and things like that. Now, when you go to send an email, it's only going to send from the default account, which by default is going to be the first one that you created. So if I go to create a new email and send it, you can see that it's going to send from my first account I have listed. However, take a look. I can hit the drop down and I can choose my other account that I have here as well. And it's going to open up a new page. Now I can go ahead and put in whoever it is I want to email and then go ahead and send that email from the other account. So that is how we add additional accounts in Outlook 365.